Hey there, everybody. This is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. Hope you guys had a good Christmas this year. This is 2023. This year went pretty well. I got a lot of great things coming up this next year for 2024, and I still have some work and clients going on this year. This is a 100-bag order for Christmas, so they wanted some Christmas colors. I asked if they wanted cinnamon in this, and they said no. And so with this one here, I used the cotton candy flavoring. And one of the things I noticed with the cotton candy flavoring is experimenting with, of course, the concentrate mix and with the mix already mixed with the flavor already in the box. So here in this video, I actually show the difference between the two, and for some reason, the red actually comes out much more red than the green actually comes out more green. So I actually might try to buy the green concentrate mix next to see if actually it might come out a little bit greener. So anyways, thanks for following, everybody. This is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for subscribing. And if you guys want to support my page, there's links below to support. And I really thank everybody for following. I really appreciate it. And this is how I make the Christmas flavors. And eventually, my goal is to get the caramelizer to fully coat it. And this is one of the things I'll talk to you about with the caramelizer. There's actually a difference between the caramelizer flavors and the cotton candy flavors that you use with your bigger machine. And we'll actually talk about this as throughout the video as the video goes on. Thanks a lot, you guys. This is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. Keep on popping. One of the questions that a lot of people ask when they make this popcorn, and one of the things that I've been struggling with when I've bought this machine, and of course, when I worked back in 2010, I used to work for Kettle Pop with another company, and they use a caramelizer. Now, doing this with the glazed pop and doing this with the cotton candy flavorings to make my own colors, the one difference between the two is that you'll notice right away going from that is number one, of course, the quality and the taste is 100% different. So when you go to the store and you buy caramel corn, and when you go to the farmer's market and you buy caramel corn and you buy the glazed pop kind, I can automatically tell. Now this is just my personal opinion, but I can automatically tell the difference between the two. So they call it gourmet, and then with the caramelizer, you'll notice, and of course I'd love to show a picture of what the caramelizer popcorn looks like, but it'll be coming up shortly when I have it do it my own. But for right now, I don't want to get a copyright violation. I'm so paranoid about that. If I, do a picture on the internet and then someone from a company tries to sue me, and then then they try to take down my channel. So then what the caramelizer does is that it evenly coats the popcorn all the way around, and it fully coats it to where, for whatever reason, the glazed pop doesn't fully coat it, even if you use an automatic stir or whatever. And if people have any options as far as how to get around that without the caramelizer, great, I'd love to hear. But even with the cotton candy flavorings, I have not been able to. I've tried to add more food coloring. I've tried to add the food gel, and I still get a partial coating and it's still, it still looks great. People, my customers still buy it. Nobody has a real problem with it. So with that, I just wanted to give you that advice that if people ask why doesn't my popcorn come out fully coated, then your answer is to get the caramelizer. And I will show a video link below with gold medal to what a caramelizer is and what it looks like. But that is, in my opinion, if you're going to be going from a kettle corn vendor to doing a professional popcorn stand, you can actually add hundreds of more flavors. Then that is what you want to do, in my opinion. I think that personally, in my opinion, the cotton candy flavors for the popcorn are kind of inferior. In my opinion, they sometimes don't always taste what they say they are. I tried the pina colada flavoring, for example, and it didn't taste like pina colada. Then I tried other flavors as well, and sometimes what I've also noticed is that they've changed their recipes. Gold medal will do that over time, to where it's been kind of frustrating. I've been doing this now for 3 years, that when they change the recipes, it's always worse, and it's been going, it's been going downhill, to where it's like, it affects us at the bottom line. So at the end of the day, do you want to serve an inferior product to your customers? And for me, as a business owner and a consumer who likes eating popcorn, I try to do everything 100% no matter what. I don't want to serve an inferior product. So, that's why I'm kind of like divided when it comes to the glazed pop. On one hand, I hate it. One hand, I love it. It still sells very well. I've managed to work around the recipe to where it comes out really well now. And when I start selling the caramelizers, popcorn for the gourmet popcorn, I will still sell the caramel popcorn, because when with the glazed pop, because they'll be different price points. I know for sure going forward that the brown sugar will be more expensive. But anyways, this is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. I just wanted to talk to you about why this has been a frustrating venture with this machine. But for the most part, I've been pretty happy with it, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to use a caramelizer this year. I got one this year, and I will be showing how to use it. And again, this is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. Have a great 2024. I hope you guys have a great new season this year. Hopefully you guys, let me know if you, in the comment section, if you're working during the winter time. I've been doing some flea markets, and again, have a great Christmas. Hope you had a great Christmas, and have a great New Year, guys.